You see, you try to copy me wearing white. Alright.
Karate. Come from heart. Heart.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
Ready?
Yeah.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast, right back at you with another video, man. And today we got something super special, man. Shout out to the people at Sneakers Atlanta. I know they've been here for like 2-3 weeks already, but your boy Pops finally got over there and got inside, man. And came away with not one, but two nice purchases, man. I went on, let me see.
Did you record in there?
No, I did not record in there, man, because they funny acting in there, man. So, and plus I'm just, vlogging is not my thing. Like, I know people like to do mall vlogs and all of this stuff, man. They threw that in, man. We talk about that. We get to that.
We get to that, man.
Fine. So, I went in there on Wednesday, man, because it was zero line. It was just walk right in, and I came away with these guys right here, man. Doing back a freestyle. I'm gonna let you open this guy. Well, I'm gonna read what it is. It's Zoomfly, Nike Zoomfly SP DB in white. Excuse me, habanero red, green shock, and it is a size 11. If you know anything about Zoomflys, then you go up a half size off rip.
These are freaky. Oh, these are really freaky. They got the Chicago Bears on the inside. Not Chicago Bears, Chicago Cubs. Sorry.
Going back to Zoomflys, man, I think these things are completely dope. People slept on these for sure. I'm gonna pull out the insole, man.
You want this one?
Chicago Cubs. Baseball in this
so
one.
It's a kid who made this, right?
Yeah, it's definitely a kid to make this one. And I'm kind of confused because all of my other Dornbeckers, they have the story of who made them, what's behind it and everything. And this spread doesn't have any information. So I have zero information on what the kid's name is,
His
what
name's
he's...
Peyton.
Is it on here? Okay. So we're going to assume...
And it's on the laces.
We're going to assume
It
this
says
is Peyton.
and then it says GOAT. No, his name is Peyton.
So the first thing that I noticed about these Zoomflys that I don't know that I've noticed before, the size tag is on
That's what they're starting to do that with a lot more shoes.
the insole, which is crazy because when we were in the actual pop-up, I was looking at a pair that was on the wall and I was like, man, what size are these? And Buddy was like, I don't know. And it took us a minute to find out they were there. But also, if you look in there, they also have the size stamped on the inside.
Yeah, that's it.
Which is pretty dope, man. Me being from Chicago, being a Chicago kid, I kind of like the fact that this youngin is from Chicago and he put the Cubs in there. Even though I was a White Sox kid growing up, I'm a South Side baby. So, but Chicago is Chicago and I rock with them both. So, as far as the shoe itself, man, there's all kinds of colors on this thing. You got this volt-colored green striping going across the toe box.
I think you should put those laces in there though. That's green.
Yeah, I'll probably swap them up one and one. You got that metallic crimson red coloring going on the Nike swooshes on both sides. You have orange on the eyelets.
Yeah. You got a red outline.
You got a red outline on the tongue. It is, of course, the transparent upper. You can see straight through.
And you have the yellow flywire. Not flywire, but whatever.
Right, the inner cage.
Yeah.
The inner cage is that yellow colorway. This is dope, man. This is a completely dope shoe, man.
Yeah.
You should get a pair of these.
Are they comfortable?
Have you never put a Zoomfly on?
No, I got one.
Bro.
How much were these?
170. I want to say the retail on this was 170. It was either 160 or 170. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's cool. Look at the tongue. How it's the baseball stripe.
Right. What he's talking about is that the baseball stitching right there on the center of the tongue.
I don't know what 1977 stands for. I guess it's the last time they won a championship.
No, they definitely didn't win in '77.
I guess I don't know.
But yeah, it's got this branding on the baseball on the tongue. It says PF 77, crossed bats 16 with the Nike check on the bottom. You can see that there. 2016. The 2016 stands for the year the Cubs won the World Series, for sure.
I don't know what the 77 stands for. I don't want to give you false information, so.
Yeah, I'm not sure on that. If you know what the 77 stands for on this particular pair, man, drop a comment in the comment section and let us know, man. But these are the DB Zoomflys, man. Super dope. If you get the opportunity to grab a pair, trust me. And so that was Wednesday. And when I was walking out Wednesday, the guy said, "Hey, man, you should take a band." I was like, I'm going out of town Thursday. He's like, "Well, I don't know, but, you know, you would be number 38 if you take a band." So I was like, all right, well, you know, I was like, "What time you opening?" He's like, 10:30. I was like, all right, cool. Well, I still have time to do that and get out of town. So, of course, if you know anything about these Nike pop-ups, man, you know they never run on time. So
At all.
I wound up getting out of there. Actually, I left the pop-up around 1 o'clock, and then as I was leaving, a MARTA bus hit me. So, did you even know that?
Yeah, mommy called me.
Crazy, man.
As I got on my bus.
A MARTA bus hit me on Thursday. But I was able to secure the bag on this pair, man, which was the double up.
I think I'm paying for it.
You want to read the color scheme on that guy?
Obsidian blue and chill white.
The blue chills, man. Blue chills. This is not in our size. It is a size 7.
Not nobody's size that we have.
Right. So at the point, they had my size when I got there, but by the time I got in there, my size was gone. So I didn't want to come away empty-handed. So
everybody's size is gone pretty much.
So I just grabbed a pair, man, just to grab a pair and bring it to y'all, man. So this shoe is super clean. Like I was on the fence about them, how I felt about them.
Yeah, these are actually dope.
When I saw them first, but seeing them in hand, it's super dope. It's super dope. So I was hoping to at least get Austin size in this, but it is what it is.
I ain't impressed.
So this particular pair, man, if you know anybody who needs a pair, a size 7, man, they will be for sale. Drop me a comment or DM me on my Instagram, and we'll get this to you, man. You got an all patent upper, except for the tongue. The tongue is in a navy blue with the white Nike Air branding. Did it come with extra laces? No extra laces, which is surprising. Hardly ever see that in Jordan 1.
Wait. Yeah, no. That'd have been dope if it came with the baby blue.
Yeah, I would like to see this with baby blue lacing. It probably really send this thing into the stratosphere, but I'm sure it looks great with the navy lacing by itself. Got the all baby blue sole. Looks like a white
Yeah, it's a white
midsole, not that sail colorway that's been coming on all of the Jordan 1s. The paneling is definitely a white as well. It's clean, man. It's a clean shoe. So small feet game, man. If you can wear size 7, holla at your boy. I got you covered. What else you got, man? What you think about the shoe?
It's dope. It has the bread toe colorway pretty much just in the baby blue and obsidian.
Yeah.
I like the way that they're doing with the Jordan 1s now with the patent leathers. These are, like, I like the shiny shoes, you know.
Yeah, I love the way it looks, but
it probably won't look good on feet to me.
It looks really good on feet.
Just wearing them are weird.
Wearing them, it's hard to wear a patent pair all day. For me, just because I'm an old dude probably, but this part right here on a regular Jordan 1 is flexible, right? But that patent leather just lock everything in. So it just wear my Achilles out after I wear them for about 5 or 6 hours. That's why I hardly ever wear my top 3 goals. But I love the way they look, man. It's definitely clean. Hopefully you were able to get a pair, man. Like I said, they did drop Thursday. It was a very limited drop everywhere that I heard. They just had limited pairs. Definitely the larger pairs are harder to come by, and they're selling for upside of $500, $600, $700. These are going anywhere from $325 to $375, $380, depending on where you look. But Blue Chills, man, in the building. And if I don't find a buyer for them, I'll set them up in the collection and let them do what they do, which is chill.
Sit and cook.
These are the Blue Chills, man. Like I said, if they drop Thursday, hopefully you were able to get a pair if you were chasing them. If not, StockX. Or if you wear size 7, holla at your boy. What else you got, man?
That does match your hat.
Yeah. Wish you were here. Astro World. Get you some of that.
I guess so.
What else you got, man?
Man, that's it, man. Butterfingers.
Blue Chills, man, in the building.
That's it.
Don't forget to subscribe, man, if you rock with us. All right, we still doing it, y'all. Hello, hey, it's us.
Oh, hell no.
I'm just trying to get his energy up, man. He tired. He was on the bus yesterday, you know.
I was tired. It was a long trip.
I don't know what's wrong with him. He's 21 years old and tired.
6.5 hour drive.
Go figure that.
6.5 hour ride.
He had a 6.5 hour ride. I had a 6.5 hour drive.
With no air, no nothing. Just
So
hot.
Who should be tired?
Hot breath. Sweating.
The one that was chilling?
Sweating.
The one that was doing his Blue Chill?
Sweating.
Or the one that was driving in the rain
In
with
air conditioning.
with big trucks and
air conditioning.
all kind of things trying to push you off the road, huh?
In air conditioning.
You know what I mean?
And the bathroom smelled like.
Man, you had a bathroom.
In my
I had to
ass.
pull over for a bathroom.
Bathroom
See what I'm saying?
smelled
See
like.
what's wrong with this generation?
Bathroom smelled like.
He got to ride, y'all.
In the ass.
He got to ride, y'all. He got to ride. You know what I'm saying?
I guess so, man.
But Blue Chills in the building, man. Dad, son, cams. Holla.